What up, what up, what up? It's your boy PA. You now tuned back into the shop, and today I just got some good news as I was preliminarily working on the small block 350 that will be going in the Monte Carlo that's behind all that woodworking stuff. Found out that the carbs I ordered are actually out for delivery. I ordered them like 2 days ago. It's crazy. So, gonna go ahead and get these carbs off and be prepared for that delivery. For those that don't know which carbs I went with Murray's carbs. They are VM34s, supposed to be jetted and tuned for my setup, which realistically it's a stock exhaust just with these little 17-inch mufflers that I got from Dime City Cycles. But everything else, the H-box, the headers, that's all stock. So realistically, it's tuned for the pod filters that are on it. I've always liked Murray's carbs. I've tried them on my CB900 and they sort of kind of worked, but I wanted to give it a second shot. And with that bike, it was very complicated for a lot of different things. I think there was like an issue with it. It was like only firing on one cylinder when it was cold, or I don't know, firing on two when it was cold and then warmed up in all four. And we could never figure it out. But that bike is long gone now. Insert picture, video of it. But yeah, bike's long gone. So we are putting Murray's carbs on the XJ750 and gonna see how it works out. So definitely be interesting, and it's a bit of a cheat code, to be honest with you, because it's supposed to be tuned and everything, and that takes all the guesswork out of this. But when you have all of this and the bike's been completely taken apart and then put back together, and there's a lot of things that I have to remember, tuning carbs isn't one of the things that I want to have to do. It's something that I'd love to just cross off the list. So taking these carbs off, getting ready for Murray's carbs to arrive at some point today, and then I'll unbox it and show you guys. But for now, time lapse it is. Just like that, carbs are off. And also just like that, says it's delivered. So I guess we're gonna go try and install these. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab them from the mailbox, and then try to install them. Let's see how far we can get. That is one of the most annoying sounds when reversing, but in every JDM car that I've been in, it's always been the beep. So guess I'll deal with it. We are on our way to the mailbox. Let's get these carbs and see if we can bite. Stop. I think right now is the time for a shameless plug. That's it. That's it, baby. All right. We got the package. We secured the package. All right. Alright, we're gonna open this thing. Just, you know, since we're ditching these, just put that over there. Hey! Alright, let's open it. Alright, can't seem to find my tripod anywhere, so. Here's one hand. The dullest knife I own. I always think it's crazy that his carbs came in a trash bag. Nope, looks like it still hasn't changed. Alright, got some literature here. And yeah, but that's the money. That's idling pretty high.